Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the column information for the table using Power Query. In my previous video I have showed the DAX info.view function by which you can get tables, columns, measures and relationships, but today we are going to talk about Power Query and I'm going to show you how to do that. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video with your Power BI developer friends. Also, if you love Power Query, there's a book that I'll recommend today. So this book is basically called The Definitive Guide to Power Query M. This basically explains you all the complex transformations that you can do in Power Query. This is a book written by Greg, Rick and Melissa, and it is a forward. There is also a forward by Brian Julius. So I would highly recommend this book. If you want, I can pop the link in the description, or you can let me know. I can share you the link. And now what I'll do is I'll show you how to write the schema or how you can get the schema information is in Power Query. So let's go. Now here is a Power BI report. I have a very simple table called orders, peoples and returns. An orders table is nothing but it contains the information for all the orders that have been customer has ordered. And what I'm going to do is basically if you want to get all the columns, measures, information, I can just come to modeling and create a new table. And I can use the info.view function, and this info.view function would basically give me, in column information. If I use columns, if I use relationships, it will give me relationship, measures and tables, so on. So I can just say this give me table column schema. And if I look at this, now I have the table column schema table here. And if I just check, I get the column names for all the tables, data types and so on. But if I want to get the schema information for a single table, I can do that using Power Query as well. Now if I go to Power Query, and what I'll do is I'll take this orders table and I'll create a reference to the orders table. Now I'll just rename this to order schema Power Query PQ. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll go to advanced editor, and in the advanced editor I will say let source is equal to orders, comma, I'll say get schema is equal to table dot schema of the orders table and in the source I would give the step of get schema and hit OK. Now what it does is it gives me the same information, the column name, the type of column, the kind of column and so on. And if I hit close and apply, I'm able to see the schema information only for my orders table. Now this is really very good if I have a master table, and for the master table I want to show everything. So if I go to my order schema PQ and if I look at the table view for order schema PQ, I get the order name, position, data type, text, kind and so on. Now if you look, I have done the same for the people schema and for the return schema as well. So in this way you can create multiple tables for multiple tables, or using DAX you can create one single table which shows all the information. Now which one would you prefer is really up to you. This was another option. I thought I'll show it to you how to do that. But in this way you can retrieve. So there are multiple ways, you can use Power BI, you can use DAX, you can use Power Query to get the information. And I wanted to show you because I explored this feature, I loved it. And well, that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, once again please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and see you in the other video. Cheers.